In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com, a versatile work operating system that simplifies the way teams work together. From project management to workflow automation, Monday.com provides a platform that can be tailored to suit your unique needs. So, let's dive right into how you can get started. First, go to Monday.com in your web browser. Once you're on the site's homepage, you'll see a bright button labeled Get Started. Click on it and you'll be prompted to either continue with Google or with a company email. Choose the option that best suits your situation. If you're already using Google for work, it might be easier to stick with that for a streamlined experience. After selecting, you will see a list of the available email accounts. Pick your email of choice for logging in. Simply click on your preferred email, then hit Continue to proceed with the login process. Next, you'll notice several options presented to align your Monday.com setup with your team's workflow. Choosing the right options here can help you from the start. Don't stress about this too much. The platform is flexible and changes can be made later. As you progress, you'll be asked to input some team information. Make sure your team email addresses are entered accurately. This step is crucial as it allows you to seamlessly invite your teammates and collaborate from the get-go. Once that's done, click on Invite Your Team. Now you're moving towards building your workspace. Type in your desired board name. Keep it clear and descriptive so it's easily recognized by everyone using it. Click Next to continue. In the following steps, you'll be presented with a few choices that involve selecting templates and views for your board. You'll click Next and make your selections a couple of times here. Don't worry if you feel uncertain about the choices. The flexibility of Monday.com means these options can be adjusted to better fit your needs as you continue using the platform. For instance, adding a view layer is one such option you'll encounter. Ensure it matches your team and project requirements. Once added, again click Next. After setting up the board name and views, it's time to type in your project list. This is where you'll define what projects or tasks need attention. Finally, click the Get Started button. And there you have it. You've set up your initial workspace in Monday.com, paving the way for easier collaboration and more efficient work processes. Remember, Monday.com is designed to grow and adapt with you, so don't hesitate to explore its features as your needs evolve. Take advantage of its intuitive design, and in no time, you'll find it an indispensable part of your team's productivity arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.